So, opening up the new iPhone for this year, the 13 Pro Max, 1 terabyte in storage. So, this thing has got a lot of space. Looks almost identical to last year's 12 Pro Max. Unboxing video of that here on this channel, too. But we have a 120 hertz display in this model. Of course, it still has 5G. It has the A15 Bionic processor with 5 core GPUs. It's got a bigger battery, it's got a bigger screen, supports macro photography, and cinematic mode, which will let you edit the depth of field of your video after you've shot it. So there's a lot of exciting new technology in this model. We're going to try it out. I'll be posting some thoughts and reviews of the phone as I use it over the coming weeks. I hope you'll tune in and check it out.